The Data Protection and Privacy Leaders Council is intended to help leaders within the privacy and data protection field, cross-region, cross sectors, but also globally, to have a chance to discuss topics amongst themselves, learn from best practice and drive the agenda. The agenda is member-driven. It's very much intended to be a peer network sharing learning. So we have some common themes. Every meeting, for instance, we have a discussion about what are recent challenges the members are facing. We also then set topics for more detailed, in-depth discussion. For instance, with coming meetings, we're going into our data breach program, discussing how we should be driving that, what tools we now can use, how we can keep up to date with the different guidance from the regulators about thresholds. We're doing a bit of a focus on risk at the next session, both the third-party risk, what threshold should we be applying, how do we drive that, but also what risks should we be reporting up to the head of the company, how do we drive visibility for the program. Before I actually took over running the council, I was a member, I'm a Chief Privacy Officer myself. What I found really valuable is just sense-checking ideas and hearing other members present their program. You start to think, well, are there things I could consider doing differently to drive the agenda? And I found it really valuable. Taking that time out really is valuable. The other part of meeting face-to-face is clearly building up your network. Getting a network of peers you can go to in between meetings for quick questions. Now, what tool are you using for this? What's your approach on that? It helps to maintain that level of knowledge, which occasionally is difficult to maintain when you're too buried in the detail of your day job.